Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, the topic of my lecture is past tense. In my previous lecture, I explained the present tense. So, today's lecture is about past indefinite. It is also known as simple past tense. In last lecture, I explained to you the positive or affirmative form of past indefinite tense. First, I will tell you the definition of past indefinite. Any action that has happened or it is completed, for that action we use past tense. In past tense, in positive form or affirmative form, we use second form of verb. And in negative sentences, our today's topic is negative sentences of past indefinite tense. So as I told you, in positive sentences or affirmative sentences, we use second form of verb. But today's topic is negative sentences of past indefinite tense. In negative sentences, we use did not as helping verb or auxiliary verb. Okay, did not is used as auxiliary verb in past indefinite tense in negative form. Okay. And with did we use first form of verb, because did itself is second form. Do, did, done. So in with did we will use first form of the verb. Okay, and in negative sentences we use did. So there are some examples. He did not obey parents. They did not help us. You did not fulfill your promise. People did not protest against this law. So these were the negative sentences. And in interrogative sentences, interrogative means in Urdu we call such sentences sawaliya jumle. We use kya in the beginning of the sentence and we use helping verb in beginning of the sentence. In English, kya in Urdu will come in start of the sentence, and in English we use did. Did is the helping verb, so we use did in the beginning of the sentence. So an example, did magistrate catch him red-handed? So in this one, as you can see, I have used did in the start of the sentence because it's interrogative sentence. In kya, you can see comes in the start, and at the end of the sentence we will put the question mark. And if it is interrogative, so how we will convert? Did magistrate not? In interrogative sentence we will put not after our subject. So did magistrate not catch him red-handed in interrogative case? So this is interrogative. So did magistrate catch him red-handed, and at the end you can see this question mark. Okay. Okay, and in WH form or WH family, the sentences that starts from the letter WH, like where, when, how, who, which, whose, etc. How we will translate such sentences? First we use the WH words like when, where, how, etc. And after that we use helping verb. After that we use helping verb. So an example is for you. Where did the goods train light with passengers train? Okay. Another example. How did they welcome you? How did they welcome you? Okay, as you can see, how, and after that I have used the helping verb did. And at the end of the sentence, I will put the question mark. All right, I hope you will like this lecture. Thank you so much.